Hi guys, so welcome to the plank. And what we've done here is we've recreated a simulation of standing on top of a 5-story building. And what we're looking at in this experiment was the psychology behind human emotion and feelings. So often you'll find with virtual reality, which is quite new technology, they often don't get a sense of immersion. So we're looking at how to trick all your senses. So what you'll see in the background is we've got several technology going on there. So we've got the virtual headset, which is a HTC Vive. And that's basically our virtual rig. And then on top of that, we've got a headset which has the sound of the wind blowing in their ears. This is to give them the sense that they're really on top of a windy building. And then attached to that, we'll have a fan blowing in the background. And this is to give that sense of feeling of wind blowing on you as you're trying to cross that bridge. And amongst all of this is the height perception. And we find most people, once they get halfway along the plank, they start to really freak out. And that's exactly what we've been trying to attempt with this project.